Yo, what's up everyone? This is Ravan. Welcome to another vlog. Today I'm on my way to another interesting destination. This destination is almost around like 100 kilometers from Bangalore. Yeah, and this is on the way to Tirupati. Right now I am on Bangalore-Tirupati highway. I just crossed KR Puram. Look at the beautiful sunrise. I hope you guys can see. Of us are heading to this destination. Yeah, so finally, what is the destination? Where are you going? The destination is Avani. By this time you guys might have already understood from the thumbnail. Avani. Avani is the place where Sita's temple is there. Very few temples of Sita is there in India. Means this temple is completely dedicated to Sita. And why it is because when Sita was in exile and she took the help of Maharshi Valmiki. You guys might be knowing Maharshi Valmiki, who is the author of Ramayana. So it is believed that during her exile, Sita used to stay over there, that place. Sita used to stay over that place, and there only she gave birth to Lavakush. And it is believed that the chamber where she gave birth to Lava and Kusha is still there. It is even believed that the village is the actual place where Lavakush had a war with their father during the Ashwamedha Yaga. So considering these all things, I thought let's show you guys how this place looks like. And this place I have already been you can say 2 years ago, maybe not actually 2 years, 2.5 years. When I initially bought my Dominar, I visited that place. Right now I am almost near to Hoskote toll gate. The toll is another 1 kilometer away. I can see a busy toll. It's not that busy though, but yeah, toll is a little bit busy. Covered like 40 kilometers till now. Just waiting for others. I came way too ahead. We'll just gather up and then again start moving towards the destination. The destination is around 54 kilometers from here. It will take 58 minutes. That means the roads are good. Yep. I definitely need something hot to drink right now, some tea or coffee, because trust me, it is way too cold than I imagined. If we continue in this road for 6 meters, we'll be reaching Avani. So that is the temple entrance. This is the Ramalingeshwara temple. Let's go inside and have a look. Let me turn off this camera and get back to you guys on the other one. I was unable to get any much information about this place. There is no one here to guide us or anything. Neither the pujari is also not there. So I was unable to get
that much of information about this particular place, means this Ramalingeshwara temple. But I can figure out like there are multiple other temples, not only the Ramalingeshwara temple in this compound. Many other temples are also there. But I took very nice cinematics. You can see it in a while. Yeah, that's it. From here now we need to go on to that hilltop for the actual place, that Sita's chamber where Love and Kush are born. This whole village is actually the place where the war between Love Kush and Lord Sri Ram happened, right? That war, everything has happened in this particular village. Place is called as Avani, that means the daughter of earth. As Sita used to stay here for a while, I don't know, because of that reason they might have kept that name as Avani. Of now I got. Now let's enjoy the cinematics in 1, 2, 3. Go. The name of each character from Ramayana, like Vali, Sugriva, Lakshmana, Subramanya, something like that. There is multiple Shivalingas, means they are named after that Ramayana character, actually. So it is like Ramalinga, one is the Ramalingeshwara, next is the Lakshmana Lingeshwara, after that Vali Sugriva Lingeshwara. So based on the characters of Ramayana, there are multiple Shivalingas over there. I can see the place is completely filled with Shivalingas everywhere. Means each temple has one Shivalinga and that is dedicated to one Ramayana character. So that is how it is. This whole place means, yeah, as it is said to be as the place from the generation of Ramayana. So I believe it is how it is. Once we are done with the Ramalingeshwara temple, this place is just next to that. We can bring our bikes till the bottom of the hill. There you guys can see that is the place where we parked our bikes. Now we need to climb this hill up. On top of this hill, the actual chamber of Sita, the chamber where Love Kush are born, everything will be there. So let's just climb it up. Climbing this hill is a very big task, I feel. Whew. It is way too steepy than what I imagine. I can't talk, seriously. There you can see that is the Ramalingeshwara temple where I was previously. And we need to take that route like that and enter like this. We parked there, you can see arch, right there. We parked our bikes and we need to take this way up. there is a belief that if you are placing the stones like this, like 5 stones at a row on top of one another, or else 3 stones, these people believe that if you are able to put these stones like this without making them fall and make them stay long for a time, they believe that whatever they have in their mind and whatever they are planning to do in future, that will be successfully completed. So here you guys can see lot of them are there. So finally reached on top of this hill. The ashram where you saw that Valmiki ashram, that is the place where Lava-Kusha are born. And now we are on top of this hill. This is the Sita Devi temple. Yeah, that is how it is. The whole village there, whatever you are seeing, that is the war zone. That is where the war happened between Lava-Kusha and their father, Lord Sri Ram. That is how it is. I'll just sit here for a while, like 5-10 minutes, then need to go back down and get onto the bike and hit the road.
Finally back onto the bike. The time is around 11:30 in the morning. Yeah, almost spent like around 3 hours. 8:30 we reached here. Now it is almost 11:30. I think it's 4 hours almost. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That will be a great support to the channel. With that note, this is Shravan signing off.